Okay, folks, thank you for joining me once again. It is Friday, May 31st, 2024. We are taking a look over Ashland Reservoir. This was the day of the Keefe Tech graduation, and it was a beautiful day for sure. We had extra tents set up. I think it was a great day. Parking was huge. We had about 1,000 people. But moving on. Wait till you see these finishes I'm about to show you at Cedar Hall at the Warren Center. Pretty fascinating, and it's great to see. We've endured a long winter construction, and it's starting to all finally pay off. First, with a brand new patio. Second, with a brand new event space called Cedar Hall. Went over that a little bit in the last presentation of this series, and we showed you Henry's Place. We showed you the construction that was going on at Cedar Hall as well. So we're looking at just kind of the skeleton of the first pieces of paver that went down, and we're looking at an almost finished product here. Pretty dramatic between both the buildings. Now, don't worry, I'm going to get you that finished product right here. So you're walking the opposite way now, facing Henry's Place, facing the tents, out towards Chestnut Street. And this is what you see when you look down. So the tour continues. The wrap around two-sided patio lower, including the in between the buildings, paved patio upper. We're looking at brand new windows on the inside of the building. They're just these huge picture windows, and it showcases everything that you see outside. There'll be more green coming, just a few weeks. That will populate, and we'll have landscaping and construction that will finish with some landscape architecture. But we're looking at this wood-alike paneling, new lighting, new sound, new control panels all the way around. The room is shining. Geometric wall paper that really gives a nice shine in there. So we're wrapping all this up and just keeping you in the loop. It was just a busy week. We had the graduation, construction has been going on, these finishes wrapping up. Henry's Place still on the docket. We are open this weekend, so come and check us out. So with that being said, I think that covers just about everything. Really appreciate you tuning in. Take care and have a great night.